Are you tired of waking up to frizzy, unmanageable hair? In today's video, I'll share 5 game-changing reasons why Satin products are the ultimate solution for healthier, more radiant hair. Hi, my name is Shireen, and for those of you who don't know, I'm the owner of Rain Hair Essentials, a luxurious hair accessory brand. We specialize in helping women achieve their healthiest and most manageable hair through our satin hair products. So let's dive into why satin is a must-have for your hair care routine. First up, satin reduces frizz and breakage. Traditional cotton pillowcases create friction while you sleep, and that tugging can lead to frizz and even breakage. But satin, it's smooth and silky, so your hair glides across without damage. Reason 2. Satin helps your hair retain moisture. Unlike cotton, which absorbs water and natural oils, satin allows your hair to keep all that hydration. This is especially important if you're using a deep conditioner or leave-in treatment. So if you're tired of waking up with dry, brittle hair, switching to a satin bonnet or satin pillowcase can be a game changer. Have you ever gone to bed with your hair looking perfect only to wake up a hot mess? Satin products can help. They protect your hairstyles by minimizing friction and movement overnight. Here's how I do it. I simply tuck my curls into the satin bonnet before bed. The results? No more flattened curls or bed head. Satin saves you time and energy the next day. Tired of dealing with painful tangles? Satin products can help with that too. The smooth surface prevents your hair from knotting and tangling while you sleep. Bonus tip, satin scrunchies are great for securing your hair at night. They don't leave dents, cause breakage like regular elastics. Finally, satin isn't just great for your hair, it's also gentle on your skin. It helps reduce split ends and even prevent wrinkles by being less abrasive than cotton. It's perfect for anyone looking to protect both their hair and skin. Imagine waking up like this every morning. Satin truly is the beauty secret that works while you sleep. So let's recap. Satin is a game changer for your skin and hair care routine. It reduces frizz, it retains moisture, protects your hairstyles, it prevents tangles, and is gentle on both your hair and skin. It is a small switch that makes a huge difference. So if you're ready to transform your hair care routine, check out our link in our description and shop our satin bonnets, satin scrunchies, and satin pillowcases. Your hair, if you made it this far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe send this to a friend that needs some hair care tips. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye!